The drizzle stitch is a fun raised stitch that kind of wiggles up on the front of the fabric here and looks like a raised curly Q almost. So how do you make it? We start by bringing our needle up from the back of the fabric, and now we're going to unthread our needle. Then we put our needle back into the fabric right next to where we came up. We don't want the same spot, but we want right next to it. You want to make sure you're not going to hit your knot on the back. So there we go. All right, now we're going to make stitches that wrap around our needle and stack up here. To do that, we cross our thread over itself so it makes a loop, and then slide that loop onto our needle and pull it on down so it's nice and flush with the fabric and tightly wrapped around our needle here. And then we repeat. So loop our thread, slide that loop onto the needle and pull it nice and tight. Now these loops on our needle should be stacked going up our needle and not overlapping. And the more loops we add, the taller our drizzle stitch will be. And it'll also make it more twisty too. So we'll keep adding some loops here. Doo-doo-doo. There we go. All right, once we have our drizzle stitch to the desired length, we're going to rethread our needle. So this part, we want to make sure that the needle stays in the fabric, because if it comes out, so does our stitch. We'll thread all of our thread into the needle here. There we go. Got all of our threads into that needle. And now I like to just kind of pinch all of my stitches around my thumb and finger as I pull my thread through the fabric, like so. And there is our drizzle stitch, our fun raised knot.